Hi, my name is Ivan, and this is Gargouille. It's our cat. Um, I just received today the Lasfit auxiliary panel for Wrangler JL. So I'm gonna open the box and see what it looks like. So it's well packed with foam to avoid damage. This is for the cat. You can enjoy it. Okay, so the box is very nice. Seems quality when you look at it. So we got here. What do we have? So this is the C kit. If you look on the website, you're gonna see A, B, C, D. I already have the Mopar auxiliary switch panel, so this is the kit I needed. So it's gonna add 4 more auxiliary switch with RJ45 connection if I want to put a CB there, which I'm gonna try. So here you see the front locker, rear locker, but this can be also customized to be normal auxiliary switch for lights or other accessories. On the back we have one port connection and the CB connection that can pass through there. So looks nice. Not sure if the finish, the polish, if it will scratch or not. Seems a bit plastic, but let's look at the rest. This is quite heavy. I was surprised with the weight of the package. Okay. So this is the controller box. I looked the installation and it goes into the hood, and this needs to go through the firewall, which will connect to the back of the auxiliary panel. So yeah, seems very great quality. You have a seal to make it waterproof, and I think that material will last long inside the hood. And the wire is protected here. That's perfect. And let's see how you plug your accessories. So it's easy to see, very easy to see. You have front aux. You have here side aux 1. Here we have aux 3. And we have roof aux or aux 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And they provide a bunch of zip ties. Oh, this is the mounting plate. This plate is going to be different depending of what Jeep you have. If you have a 4xe or a Rubicon or things like that, the mounting plate is going to be different because it's not in the same place inside the hood. So this is the one I needed. You get the extension cable for the CB, which is very great because sometimes when they provide it with your CB, it's low quality and it's a kind of flimsy. So hopefully that one is very good quality. What's that? Okay, so another connection wire, probably going to the firewall and through the unit. And yeah, other wires, power cable and everything that's gonna plug into the unit itself also. You will also get all the hardware and a kind of bump stop, which is kind of weird. I don't know where that goes. Okay. And oh, doesn't seem to have any user manual, so I guess I need to download online and look at it. It would have been great to have the manual, but today we all have a cell phone and a PDF reader, so it's gonna be easy to work with that. So next video I'll do an installation video and let you know how I like the product, but for now, it seems very great quality. Thank you for watching us. Bye bye.